right, so the majority of the bike is almost done. Rear fender is on with the saddlebags. I need to just make sure that they're screwed on. That's why they look like they're falling off. Let's move this out real quick. Amplifier, quick detach, wiring harness dialed in. Stereo works. Blue LEDs. We're gonna check the stereo real quick. Okay, for the copyright. Front is getting a little bit cleaned up so we can start putting on the front fairing. The brake calipers and the brake master and the clutch lever is installed. The lower warmers on both sides are done. The exhaust is half done. I still need the covers for this one, and the other side needs to be put on so that way they have the troll doors coming out to the back. And we're gonna do all the little things like that. We're gonna change that. We're gonna change this one to match. We're gonna change this to match all that stuff, all that black accessories that he put on. The covers will go on after, probably like towards the very end. But the bike, it is coming along. It's looking pretty good. It's taken me a long time, but because I had my race weekend and I'm back full swing. So I will come back when we start putting the LED glow kit and give you another update of this baby, but it is looking pretty nice. All right, be right back. All right, bike is almost done. Put the exhaust on. We also put the little luggage rack on there. Looks nice and clean. On this side, we're still running the LED kit, but we also ran the exhaust. I tried to clean up a little bit. We added some accessories as well. Mirrors are going back on. I need one more mirror. The front fender is on. Front end, it's looking good. Tomorrow I will be putting on the gas tank, the other saddlebag, finishing up the LED glow kit, and this baby is ready to go home. Cool. Still put the side covers, the seat, the gas tank, the I don't even know what else. It's looking pretty good. All right, so I'm gonna just cut to the next part till tomorrow. So for me, it's gonna be 8 hours, 10 hours. For you, it's gonna be right now. All right, and here it is. 2008 Roadglide on a 2007 Road King frame. Complete. LEDs, glow kit, everything's on. Sound, radio. Looking real nice. Alright guys, thank you guys for following and watching. On the next build, I will post more content as they come. I appreciate the patience. It does take a while for work like this to get done. Not only for paint, but you know, parts coming in and so on and so forth, especially during the pandemic. It takes a little while. But she's ready to go home. Once again, thank you guys for watching.